Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So today we will see on the CSS. What is the CSS and what is the purpose of this CSS? Okay, so let's see what is the CSS. So first of all, we should understand what is the CSS and what is the full form of this means cascading style sheet. Okay, and why we are using this means we are using this CSS for to style the element. So on the previous videos in the HTML tutorial, I have explained the introduction of the HTML. So what reason we use the HTML? For example, the HTML is giving the the structure for your website. Okay, so only the structure is not enough to make the website. So if you see another any example of the website, there will be some kind of colorful font will be there and background will be there and box shadow will be there. Okay, so and the button will be colorful, different colorful with there, and the button curve will button whatever the button is there, that whatever the box is there, so that will be in the curve manner or in the round box. So if I want to apply some kind of style for those elements, so I can use the what CSS. So you can see that. So CSS is a cascading style sheets, so which is used for styling the elements. Okay, and also CSS describe how the HTML elements are to be displayed on the screen. Okay, screen or paper or anything you can just say. Okay, for example, if you are going with the screen itself or the any kind of media, how it has to be, whether it should be responsive. Responsive means like according to the screen size, it should increase or decreases this for like it should style. Okay, so that is what the responsive. Now here that the CSS saves a lot of work. It can control all the layout of multiple web pages all at once. Okay, for example, I have a one HTML page. I have applied some kind of CSS property for that. Okay, the same CSS property I can apply for the different um, website also. That is a one thing. So which can helps us to means which will do this CSS. Okay. If you see the syntax, it is like selector, property, and the value. Okay. So selector and the curly brace, the property means CSS property and the value, whichever the value. The selector means the which the element. For example, there is a HTML element is there. For that HTML element, I want to give the what some value or some property for that means I have to select that particular element and I have to apply the CSS property for that. So even this an example, for example, if I go with on the HTML and the CSS, okay, so into the human being body, okay, so HTML acts as a what? Skeleton for the your body, right? So the same thing, the CSS will apply the body skin, okay, so or how you dresses up your body to the your body. So that is what to look attractive. So the CSS will act like a body or you are dressing up the how to look attractive. So that is what the CSS will do here. The same thing, the CSS will give the what a style for your web pages. Okay. I hope this video is useful for you to understand what is the CSS. In the next class, we will see the practical and what are the types of the this CSS. Okay, so and how can we apply for this styles to the HTML element. Okay, so I hope this video is useful. If you like this button, so hit on the like button and share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.